Welcome to our review and unboxing of the most affordable alternatives to Apple's Airpods and Sony's earbuds, the Soundpeats True Capsule Truly Wireless Earbuds. So what does the Soundpeats True Capsule get you for $40 or £30? Let's have a look. A thank you card, customer care voucher for charging tips. Charge your, ignore that. 21-month warranty, that's cool. This is spare pair of tips, you can see that there, lovely. And a USB, micro USB cable, right, cool. We'll get to that in a second. And you have a manual, woohoo, probably need that in a second. So these are the actual buds themselves. Very slick, very cool. Light indicator at the bottom there to show you when it's charging, when they're charging the buds. That's where your port is. Various details on the back. So let's take a look at these, shall we? Da da da. Ooh, pretty. Very nice. So these do actually offer some form of noise cancelling as well, using CVC. So might be similar to the Apple AirPods Pro, but we'd have to look and see. You've got your connectors there for your charging as well, there and there for your various buds. So it's a moment of truth. Let's see what these really sound like and what you get for your $40 or £31. So pretty straightforward to connect, just as you'd like a normal Bluetooth device. You just hold down the right buds touch sensor, and then you just find it in your Bluetooth menu, and then you're good to go. They'll always stay connected as well. So let's see what these sound like. See how they fit in the ear. So you sit pretty flush as well, slick to the side, and to be fair, sound quality is really good as well. You do get some noise cancellation as well, so you're not hearing everything around you as well, which is great. They feel better and more comfortable in the ear than the AirPods do, the AirPods Pro do, in my experience. And it's quite difficult to even gauge they're actually there. I mean, for sport, for running, they're going to be perfect. With regards to these Soundpeats wireless buds, is the case itself may not be the most durable. I mean, that's not going to be as well built as what Apple offer or Sony offer. The size of the case as well is another thing. It looks pretty slick, is really good looking, but not as compact and easy or pocket friendly as the other two as well. But the price is such, $40 or £30 odd at the moment, available on Amazon. It's crazy cheap. You do miss out on wireless charging as well, but I'd take that. So that's that. That's our review and unboxing of the Soundpeats Truly Wireless Earbuds. Highly recommended, considering the price, and a great alternative to the Apple AirPods and Sony's wireless earbuds. So until our next review and unboxing, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell so you get all the latest in videos when they're live. Smash that like button as well. And until then, we out.